Ratios to unit rates. That is what our lesson is going to be on today. Our learning target today is students can write ratios as unit rates. So I'm going to give you some ratios and you're going to write them as unit rates. Quick definition right here. A unit rate, guys, is a rate with a denominator of 1. So everything that we're going to be talking about today in our unit rates is going to have a denominator of 1. Some examples of labels of unit rates that you may have heard would be price per pound, miles per hour, price per gallon. So all of those things, you have the word per in there. That's going to be a big clue that's a unit rate. And then the denominator, the second part, was one of price per gallon. That means 1 gallon. Miles per hour. That means 1 hour. So those are going to be your clues that it's a unit rate. Okay? If you need to pause, go ahead. Otherwise, I'll be moving on to the next slide. Example 1. Write the ratio as a unit rate. So I have 5 examples where I'm giving you ratios, and I want you to write them as unit rates. Okay? Remember, the denominator has to be 1. Carlos can average 150 words for every minute. Okay? So he's reading 150 words for every minute. So all I'm going to do is write this ratio, 150 words, to 1 minute. I'm going to write that as a unit rate, and it's going to be pretty simple. You're just going to do 150 words per minute. Oops, if I could spell minute, that'd be great. And that's it. 150, that's your unit rate, and then your label is words per minute. So that is your answer. Okay? If you need to pause, go ahead. Otherwise, I'm moving on to our next examples. Okay. For every hour Izzy rode her bike, she went 13 miles. So let's write that as a unit rate. Okay? We got the 13 miles for every hour. So all I'm going to do is 13. That's my unit rate. And then my label, miles per hour. And that's all you do. Okay? 13 miles per hour. What does this mean? Real quick, this means 13 hours in 1 hour. 13 miles in 1 hour. That's what she can do. Sorry, 13 miles in 1 hour. So we write our answer as 13 miles per hour. Okay. Nicole spent $2.12 for a gallon of gas. What's the unit rate? Well, that's going to be $2.12. So the label is going to go in front. Per gallon. That is her unit rate. $2.12 per gallon. What does that mean? That means for every gallon of gas she buys, it costs her $2.12. Okay? If you need to pause, go ahead. Otherwise, I'm moving on to my next screen. Okay. For D and E, I would like you guys to pause the video real quick, answer the questions, and then resume playing. Pause now. Okay. Hopefully you've answered these questions, so let's answer them. For each ounce of candy Cheney bought, she spent 52 cents. Okay, this is a unit rate. This is actually called a unit price because there's money involved. It's the same thing, just money's involved. So it's 52 cents per ounce. And that's your unit rate. That's all you have to do. E, Parker scored 18 points in each basketball game he played. So he's got 18 points per game. And notice that slash stands for the word per. Okay. If you need to go back and check anything, go ahead. Otherwise, have a great night.